good morning. So we will be discussing yung theoretical and conceptual framework based from your objectives dun sa mga naka-refine na, may refine ng objectives. You can now come up with your theoretical or conceptual framework or theoretical and conceptual frameworks. Kasi depende yan sa objective ninyo. When you say conceptual and theoretical framework, we are referring to interrelated ideas or notions that provide a legitimate basis. Ito yung paninyo, ito yung note, basis, emphasize natin yung basis. Ito yung guide natin in our study. Halimbawa, tignan natin yung, ito yung kumbaga saan nakaangkla yung research ninyo. Say for example, you are going to research on dun sa selling of cigarette or e-cigarette within 100 meters. Saan nakaangkla yun? That is what we call framework na sila ko maiti balay, Jenny Postena. So, saan nakaangkla, saan naka-base yung research ninyo? That's what you're going to present doon sa conceptual or theoretical framework part ng inyong research proposal. So, doon na sa nasabi ko kanina na study sa selling of cigarette or e-cigarette within 100 meters, saan nakaangkla yon? It will be doon sa concept yung ordinance, provincial ordinance natin prohibiting the selling of distribution of cigarette or e-cigarette doon sa within 100 meters. So, ano yung ilalagay ninyo doon sa theoretical and conceptual framework? Ilalagay ninyo doon yung provision ng batas na gusto nyong i-determine kung yun ba ay nasusunod. Okay? Kasi doon sa provision ng ordinance na yon, nakalagay doon kung ano ba yung prevent, kung ano ba yung prohibit. So, yun yung doon kayo nakaangkla. The reason why you're going to conduct that study, the reason why your objectives are like this, because you want to know whether that provision of the ordinance is indeed being implemented or followed. Okay? Or you can also use of theory for that matter. Okay? Theory that has something to do with prevention of a certain vice or whatever, illegal act or whatever, that is related doon sa selling of marijuana. Sa limbawa, paano kaya mapre-prevent? Is there a theory na nag-e-explain kung paano ma-prevent yung paggamit ng sigarilyo or tawag dito, pag-protect sa health ng mga tao, especially doon sa mga hospital. So, if you're going to make use of a theory, we call that as theoretical framework. Okay? But for those who are making use of law as their framework, as their guide, foundation for that matter, then you are going to use the word conceptual framework in as a title for that part. Okay? So conceptual framework dito nakaangkla. Okay? Nakaangkla yung inyong research. Okay? So dun sa paradigm of the study, hindi na tayo masyadong for this undergrad